Have you ever come across these funny AI-generated videos on YouTube? They're not only entertaining and popular, but also surprisingly easy to create. By taking advantage of the power of AI, you can create engaging content in a fraction of the time. So it's a great YouTube idea for those of you who want to make money on YouTube, but don't have hours to spend on video creation. The views on these videos speak for themselves. It's incredible to see that a 3-minute video has the potential to rack up thousands of dollars. Join me in this video as I walk you through the process of creating these funny AI-generated videos step by step. I'll share tips and tricks that will help you maximize your content's appeal and increase your chances of success. The first step is opening an AI tool named Modelscope. Here, you'll discover a completely free text-to-video tool. Each try gives you a 2-minute video. In fact, this kind of video is made by combining lots of 2-minute videos. For starting the generation, you need to enter your script. For example, we enter Dwayne Johnson, the actor eating rocks. When the generation process is complete, you can play the result. As you see, there is a watermark on the videos, just like samples. For avoiding these watermarks, you can use another text-to-video tool called Zeroscope. Just like the previous one, search it on Google and open the first website. The user interface is quite the same. Now I enter the previous script. As you see, the results of this website are smoother and watermark-free. Although you can start your work with these free tools, I prefer to use Gen 2 as a text-to-video tool because it has better quality. For using it, search Gen 2 in Google and open the first suggestion. Click on Try Gen 2 in Runway and log in with your Gmail. It's not a free tool, but it gives you a free trial period. Select Video Generation from the sidebar, then select the Text-to-Video option and enter your script. You can see a preview of videos before generating them. Now you can generate anything you can imagine. For example, I made a video of animal school with Gen 2. Let's watch the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more incredible tips and tricks. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. See you in the next video.